Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add or remove blacklist number on Samsung Keypad mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is, okay, in your Samsung Keypad mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to menu by pressing the OK button. And after that, okay, you'll have to do is go to contact, okay? And contact, you'll have to do is search the contact list, okay? Here, the contact list, okay? Go to contact list, okay? You'll have to do is find the contact you want to block or add on your blacklist, okay? For my example, I select the Pard's number. And to add this mobile number to your blacklist number, you'll have to do is call the number you want to add on your blacklist. Okay, you'll have to do is call. Okay, and after you call, okay, cancel it. And okay guys, go to call option or go to call log. Okay, and okay guys, here go to recent call. Okay, if you want to add the number from missed calls or received calls, you can go to this folder, but in this tutorial I'll show you how to add in recent call. Okay, go to recent call, and here the example of number or contact I want to add on my blacklist. Okay, you'll have to do is press the option. Okay, go to option and scroll down, then okay, here in number 8, you can see the add to reject list. Okay, you'll have to do select this. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully added to blacklist this number. And okay guys, to remove this blacklist, okay, you'll have to do is, okay, go back and go to menu and go to settings. Okay, go to settings of your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the application. Okay, tap the applications, and application, you can see the call. Okay, select the call. Okay, and call settings, okay, you can see the all calls, voice calls or fake calls. Okay, you'll have to do is go to all calls. Okay, select all calls. And okay guys, here in all calls, okay, there are option here, and you'll have to do is select the auto reject. Okay, the number 2, the auto reject. And okay guys, here you can see the list of blacklist number. And okay guys, to remove this, you'll have to do is go to blacklist number and press okay, and the check mark is removed. And okay guys, if the check mark is removed, okay, the number or contact is removed on blacklist number. And okay guys, okay, you can remove this by option and select delete. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add or remove blacklist number on Samsung Keypad mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.